I know you already made your decision, but I still have to ask. Where would you like to jump? Into the pool or in a mud puddle? All right, you can jump into the pool now. Tiger, I thought you want to be the first one to jump into the pool. Yeah, what are you waiting for? It's Tangerine. Hope you're happy. Hey puppers, it's time to get out. Come on. Tiger, what are you going to choose? A bicycle ride or an ATV ride? Okay, an ATV ride it is. Three super thirsty pups. Theo, what do you choose? To have a steak or go on a diet? Well, I guess Tiger helped you to make the decision. Alright, Tiger, this one is gonna be yours, no, but not yet. You can't have it yet. Tiger, go back to your place. Hey, mister. Alright, sir, your steak is served. Here's your juicy steak, Tiger. Here's your juicy steak. Enjoy this. Well, that's another world record. Me or cuddle with the kittens? Well, I think your answer is already obvious.
What are you going to choose between an old stick and a new toy? Okay, you made your decision. Let's get you a new toy. Look what I got here. Oh my goodness. What I got here. You want to see a new toy? Yes, you do. Oh my goodness, what's that? That's gotta be something cool.
It's not really working how it's supposed to. At least you're having fun.
Oh, it's working! Oh my goodness! That looks fun! What do you folks think? Oh, Tiger! Oh my goodness, this thing is so cool!
Oh wow, you actually figured this thing out. Oh wow, I'm impressed by your guys.